Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Sholz TV. We're going to be making some pepper soup today. So this is no ordinary pepper soup. It's a special recipe. So let's get cooking. So we're going to need red onion. We're going to need some mini sweet bell peppers. You all know I love my sweet bell peppers. So I'm using about 6 mini ones here. We're going to be using some habanero, hot pepper, some garlic and ginger. I also have here a big old tomato, just one, some basil, and I have some Anaheim pepper, a large plantain, and sweet potato, and some pepper soup spices. For our protein, I'm going to be using some catfish. I have here 2 large catfish. I've taken out the skin and the head. You can keep those if you like. I'm just going to go ahead and add some salt, some hot water, and some lime juice to clean that before we cook. Now get a big pot because we're going to be making quite a lot of pepper soup today. Add your tomato. I'm going ahead to chop all my vegetables. So add your tomato, add your red onion, add your sweet bell peppers. Now I know somebody might be wondering, what is she doing? But just follow me, guys. Trust me. It's gonna come out so delicious. Add some garlic and ginger and some habanero pepper. You can use 1 or 2. I'm gonna start off with 1 so I can watch the spicy level. And some bay leaves. So cook all of that on a low heat, low to medium heat. Add some seasoning cubes. So I've gone ahead to remove the skin and chop up my sweet potato and my plantain. I'm using Hana sweet potatoes. You can also use the Japanese sweet potatoes. Add your pepper soup spices. You can use whatever mix you prefer. Add some salt, about 1 teaspoon. And then we're going to add about 3 cups of water just to cover it a little bit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a recipe video. Now cover that and cook for about 15 minutes or until your plantain and sweet potatoes are cooked but not quite tender yet. So go ahead and take them out. Just take only your sweet potatoes and your plantain out of the pot. Like I said, just make sure they're cooked but not too tender. So for about 10 or 15 minutes or so, because we're going to put it back in the pot. Now get your stock with your vegetables and go ahead and blend until smooth, and it's going to look just like this. Now you have here a thick, delicious sauce. Now we're making pepper soup, right? Not sauce. So we got to lighten this up a little bit. Add quite a bit of water, about another 4 cups or so. Add more fresh basil. Mix all of that together. It smells so good. So good. Now taste and adjust your seasoning. I'm adding 2 more seasoning cubes. Like I said, this is no ordinary pepper soup. It has lots of vegetables and lots of flavor in it. So cover and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to go ahead and add our fish. But first of all, I'm going to add some Cameroon pepper because I want it a little bit more spicy. This is optional, guys. Make sure you adjust the heat to what you can handle. And then we're just going to add our cleaned catfish into the pot. So I used about 2 catfish, guys, but please use about 3. Because I realized halfway through that I didn't have enough catfish. And what I did was just to get more later and add it to my soup. So for this recipe, use 3 or 2 really large ones. Now I'm just going to put my sweet potato and plantain back in the pot. Catfish doesn't take a long time to cook, guys. So for another 15 minutes or so on medium heat and everything should be ready. I sliced up some more mini bell peppers in there just to give it some color and add some character to it. So cover it up and bring it to a boil. And once your fish is cooked, your pepper soup is ready. It smells so good. Very easy to make. It's a great dish, especially in the winter season. But this version makes it actually very nutritious as well. So you can eat this as a whole meal. Just know you have vegetables in there. You have some herbs. You have some healthy protein from your catfish. And of course, you have some healthy carbs from your plantain and your sweet potato. Now let's go ahead to serve this. I can't wait to dig in, guys. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you're notified every time I post a healthy, quick, easy, nutritious recipe. Smells so good. Can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. And there it is, guys. Epic pepper soup recipe. Yes, epic. This smells so good, guys. So let's go ahead and taste it. Spicy and delicious. Oh, wow, this tastes so good. So good. Like I said, this pepper soup recipe is healthy and more nutritious than your average because of the vegetables that I've added into the broth. So go ahead and enjoy. And until next time, it's your girl Sholz, sending you lots of love and blessings. Bye.